Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Wanderlust on a Budget. I'm your guide on this exciting expedition where we're about to unravel the magic of budget-friendly travel. Over the next few minutes, please fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a thrilling journey through 16 destinations carefully curated to offer you unforgettable experiences without sending your bank account into a tailspin. Today, we're breaking the stereotype that travel has to be expensive, proving that the most incredible adventures often lie off the beaten path and come with a price tag that won't break the bank. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first segment of our budget-friendly exploration, where we'll uncover the hidden gems, cultural delights, and affordable wonders waiting for us in each unique destination. As our adventure unfolds, we kick off in the captivating land of Vietnam. Picture yourself navigating the vibrant chaos of Hanoi streets, where the rhythmic hum of scooters mingles with the lively banter of street vendors. It's a bustling symphony of life that immerses you in the heart of Vietnamese culture. Yet, just a short journey away lies Ha Long Bay, a serene sanctuary of breathtaking beauty. The limestone karsts jutting dramatically from emerald waters create a tranquil haven, a stark contrast to the lively energy of Hanoi. Vietnam, with its diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry, has become a haven for budget-conscious travelers. But what sets Vietnam apart in the world of affordable destinations? It's not just the price tag. It's the enchanting blend of affordability and cultural richness that makes Vietnam a standout choice. In the heart of South America lies a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, Bolivia. Picture this, a vast expanse of otherworldly landscapes stretching as far as the eye can see, the Uyuni Salt Flats. This surreal, breathtaking natural wonder, the largest salt flat on the planet, is a mesmerizing spectacle that defies imagination. As we venture further, the historic city of Sucre reveals its colonial charm, with well-preserved architecture and cobbled streets whispering tales of Bolivia's rich history. But the journey doesn't end there. We'll be immersed in the lively energy of La Paz, the world's highest capital city, nestled in the Andes Mountains. Bolivia, often overlooked, emerges as a best-kept secret for the budget-conscious traveler, offering experiences that rival the most renowned destinations, yet without the exorbitant price tag. Let's peel back the layers and uncover Bolivia's treasures, from its natural wonders to its cultural richness, a tapestry woven with affordability and adventure. Portugal, where every cobblestone seems to whisper tales of a bygone era, and affordability intertwines with old-world charm. Picture yourself wandering through the narrow, winding streets of Lisbon, each turn revealing a new chapter in the city's rich history. The architecture, a fusion of Moorish, Romanesque, and Gothic influences, stands as a testament to Portugal's diverse cultural tapestry. As we meander through Lisbon, the capital city, you'll find vibrant neighborhoods like Alfama, where the sound of fado music echoes through the alleys. The São Jorge Castle, perched on a hill, offers panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River, inviting us to delve into centuries of Portuguese history. Now, let's talk about a true highlight of Portuguese travel, the cuisine. Portugal's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of flavors influenced by its maritime history and diverse regional ingredients. From the iconic pastel de nata to the hearty bacalhau, salted codfish, dishes, every meal is a celebration of Portugal's culinary heritage. The best part? You can indulge in these gastronomic delights without worrying about your budget. Local markets and family-run eateries offer authentic dishes at reasonable prices, inviting you to savor the essence of Portuguese culture through its food. Now, let's dive into the enchanting realm of Thailand, a tropical paradise that beckons without demanding a princely sum. Picture yourself navigating the vibrant markets of Bangkok, where the air is filled with the aroma of street food, and every corner reveals a new facet of Thai culture. The best part? It won't break the bank. From the street-side stalls offering delicious pad thai to the vibrant night markets where haggling is an art, Bangkok sets the stage for an immersive experience that caters to every budget. Accommodations in Thailand come in a variety of options, from budget-friendly hostels that foster a sense of community to cozy guesthouses that immerse you in local hospitality. And let's not forget the plethora of affordable street food, where each bite is a burst of flavor that won't dent your wallet. From bustling markets to serene beaches, Thailand is a Southeast Asian jewel that caters to every budget. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this tropical haven, where affordability meets the allure of paradise. Crossing over to the vibrant Mexico is like stepping into a kaleidoscope of culture and color. The country is a captivating canvas where every street corner feels like a lively fiesta, echoing with the rich heritage and vibrant traditions of its people. From the awe-inspiring ancient marvels of Chichen Itza to the bustling and energetic streets of Mexico City, every step you take is a journey through time and culture. Chichen Itza, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, unveils the remnants of an ancient Mayan civilization. The iconic pyramid, El Castillo, stands tall as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Mayans. As you explore the site, you can feel the echoes of ancient rituals and ceremonies, transporting you to a bygone era without straining your budget. In the heart of Eastern Europe lies a treasure trove waiting to be discovered, and Romania emerges as the shining gem within this enigmatic region. Imagine immersing yourself in the medieval charm of Transylvania, where cobblestone streets wind through picturesque villages, and historic castles tell tales of a bygone era. Picture yourself hiking through the Carpathian Mountains, their majestic peaks offering breathtaking vistas that rival the most renowned mountain ranges in Europe. Romania beckons with a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, inviting you to explore its landscapes without the financial burden often associated with European adventures. As you traverse the Carpathians, you'll find yourself surrounded by pristine wilderness, where dense forests, alpine meadows, and crystal-clear streams create an idyllic backdrop for nature enthusiasts. The affordability of Romania allows you to embark on these outdoor adventures, discovering hidden waterfalls, encountering local wildlife, and breathing in the crisp mountain air, all without the constraints of an extravagant budget. Now, let's set our sights on the captivating beauty of Colombia. This South American gem beckons with a promise of diverse landscapes and a rich cultural tapestry. Picture this: from the expansive Amazon rainforest, teeming with biodiversity and hidden wonders, to the towering peaks of the Andes Mountains, where adventure awaits at every turn. But it's not just about the natural wonders. Colombia provides a budget-friendly adventure that invites you to immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. This South American jewel is not just about its natural beauty but also the warmth of its people and the affordability it extends to travelers. From the Amazon rainforest to the Andes, from the vibrancy of Medellin to the historic charm of Cartagena, and the aromatic allure of coffee plantations, Colombia invites you to explore its wonders without breaking the bank. So, fellow explorers, let's continue our journey through these budget-friendly paradises around the world. As we journey into the enchanting realm of Southeast Asia, Cambodia emerges as the star of the show, inviting us to witness the cultural riches that define this nation. At the heart of Cambodia lies the iconic Angkor Wat, an ancient marvel that stands as a testament to the country's historical grandeur. Join me as we step back in time amidst the stone-carved wonders of Angkor Wat, exploring the intricate details that whisper tales of a bygone era. But Cambodia is not just about ancient temples. It's a living canvas of traditions and customs that have withstood the test of time. As we traverse through the vibrant streets of Siem Reap, the cultural heartbeat of Cambodia, you'll witness a tapestry of traditions that seamlessly blend the old and the new. From bustling markets filled with vibrant fabrics to the rhythmic beats of traditional dance performances, Cambodia encapsulates a living heritage that is both captivating and budget-friendly. As our budget-friendly journey leads us back into the heart of Eastern Europe, Bulgaria emerges as a delightful surprise. Sofia, the capital city, unfolds a narrative rich in history, where ancient and modern elements coexist harmoniously. The city's historic sites, from the imposing Alexander Nevsky Cathedral to the ancient Serdica complex, provide a glimpse into Bulgaria's fascinating past. But our adventure doesn't stop there. Nestled amidst the Pirin Mountains, Bansko introduces us to a different facet of Bulgaria's charm. Known for its ski resorts, Bansko invites winter enthusiasts to experience the thrill of carving through pristine slopes without the exorbitant price tags found in other European destinations. Imagine the crisp mountain air, snow-laden landscapes, and the warmth of Bulgarian hospitality, all on a budget. India, with its vast and diverse tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and history, unfolds as a captivating destination for budget-conscious travelers. The bustling streets of Delhi, India's dynamic capital, provide a sensory overload, where ancient traditions and modern life collide. As you navigate through the chaotic yet enchanting markets and witness the kaleidoscope of people, you'll find that every corner tells a story. Moving further into the heart of northern India, the iconic Taj Mahal beckons, standing as a timeless testament to love and architectural grandeur. Contrary to its majestic appearance, exploring the Taj Mahal and the surrounding historic sites is a budget-friendly endeavor, allowing you to immerse yourself in the rich history and cultural significance of this UNESCO World Heritage Site without breaking the bank. Central America unfolds its affordable paradise in Nicaragua, a destination that captivates with its diverse offerings. Picture yourself riding the waves in San Juan del Sur, a renowned surfer's haven where the Pacific Ocean meets pristine sandy shores. Feel the earth beneath your feet on Ometepe Island, where volcanic landscapes create a unique and surreal environment. Imagine wandering through the historic streets of Granada, a city with colonial charm and vibrant local markets. Nicaragua seamlessly blends tropical adventure with cultural exploration, providing an authentic Central American escape that won't dent your wallet. So, join me as we continue our journey through this tropical haven, where each step reveals a new facet of affordability and natural beauty waiting to be discovered. Picture this: the Philippines, a tropical haven that extends an open invitation to frugal travelers seeking a slice of paradise without the hefty price tag. Its crystal-clear waters and pristine beaches redefine the meaning of serenity and natural beauty. In Palawan, embark on a journey beneath the surface as you explore the vibrant marine life that resides beneath the turquoise waves, a mesmerizing underwater world that doesn't demand a hefty wallet. Now, let's shift our gaze to Boracay, an iconic destination known for its powdery white sands and azure waters. It's not just a beach. It's a sanctuary of relaxation where you can unwind without constantly worrying about your budget. Feel the gentle embrace of the sun, hear the soothing rhythm of the waves, and breathe in the pure, salty air, all while keeping your wallet intact. But the Philippines is not just about its breathtaking landscapes, it's also a treasure trove of cultural richness. In Manila, the capital city, immerse yourself in a vibrant blend of history, tradition, and modernity. Explore the historic districts, marvel at Spanish colonial architecture, and savor the local delicacies from street vendors, each bite a journey into the heart of Filipino culture, all without requiring a lavish budget. Now, let's delve into the captivating allure of Georgia, a country that stands at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, offering a harmonious blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Our journey begins in Tbilisi, the heart and soul of Georgia. As we stroll through its charming streets, you'll find yourself enchanted by a city that seamlessly fuses the old and the new. Cobblestone pathways wind through historic districts, revealing vibrant markets, cozy cafes, and centuries-old churches. Tbilisi is a living canvas of Georgia's rich cultural tapestry. Moving beyond the city's charm, our adventure takes us to Uplistiki, an ancient cave city that whispers secrets from the past. Carved into the rock, Uplistiki dates back to the early Iron Age, providing a unique glimpse into Georgia's prehistoric era. Wander through the intricate tunnels, chambers, and dwellings that once thrived with life, and you'll sense the echoes of ancient civilizations. Our adventure now leads us back to the captivating landscapes of South America, where we find ourselves immersed in the cultural tapestry of Peru. Picture this: trekking along the legendary Inca Trail, a journey that winds through breathtaking mountain scenery, ancient ruins, and lush cloud forests. This iconic trail culminates at the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu, a testament to the engineering prowess of the Inca civilization. But our exploration doesn't end there. Our next destination within Peru is the historic city of Cusco, a place where cobblestone streets whisper tales of a bygone era. This UNESCO World Heritage Site serves as a living testament to both Inca and Spanish influences, showcasing a harmonious blend of architectural wonders. As we wander through the Plaza de Armas and explore the intricacies of sites like Sacsayhuaman, we uncover the layers of history that have shaped this remarkable city. Let's delve deeper into the rich tapestry of Guatemala, where the echoes of Mayan history and the elegance of colonial charm seamlessly converge. Guatemala, a nation nestled in Central America, captivates budget-conscious travelers with its diverse offerings. The journey begins with a visit to the awe-inspiring ancient ruins of Tikal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Enveloped by the dense jungles of the Petén region, Tikal stands as a testament to the grandeur of Mayan civilization. As we wander through the labyrinthine corridors and climb the towering pyramids, the mystical ambiance of this archaeological marvel unfolds, providing a glimpse into Guatemala's profound Mayan heritage. Moving forward, we find ourselves in Antigua, a city that proudly wears its colonial legacy. Cobblestone streets lined with pastel-hued buildings, each with a story to tell, led us through the heart of Antigua. The vibrant markets of this UNESCO-listed city are a sensory feast, where indigenous traditions and colonial influences converge. Join me as we meander through stalls laden with colorful textiles, intricate crafts, and aromatic spices. Here, the pulse of Guatemala's cultural heartbeat resonates, offering an authentic experience without straining our travel budget. As we draw the curtains on our hour-long adventure, we find ourselves in Sri Lanka, often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. It's a land where affordability seamlessly intertwines with the breathtaking beauty of its surroundings. Our first stop in this tropical haven is Anuradhapura, a city that breathes history. Join me as we wander through the ancient ruins, each stone telling tales of a bygone era, all while keeping your budget intact. From the rich history of Anuradhapura, we head towards the coastal bliss of Marissa. Picture yourself unwinding on the pristine beaches, where golden sands meet the azure waters of the Indian Ocean. The rhythmic sound of the waves, the warm tropical breeze, Marissa offers a slice of paradise without requiring an extravagant budget. But our journey through Sri Lanka wouldn't be complete without a venture into the enchanting hills. All aboard for Ella. We'll take a scenic train ride through the lush tea plantations, a journey that not only mesmerizes with its picturesque landscapes but also keeps your travel budget intact. Ella, a destination where the rolling hills meet the clear blue skies, and the aroma of freshly brewed tea fills the air. In conclusion, Sri Lanka stands as a testament to the harmonious marriage of affordability and the captivating beauty of the Indian Ocean. From the ancient wonders of Anuradhapura to the coastal charm of Marissa and the tranquil hills of Ella, this island nation beckons budget-conscious travelers to explore its diverse landscapes without compromising on experiences. Closing off our hour-long journey, I stand here with the hope that the stories and scenes we've explored together have ignited a spark within you. A spark that whispers, adventure is not a luxury but a birthright of every soul. These 16 destinations are not merely dots on a map. They are living testimonials to the idea that travel, rich in experience and culture, is not reserved for those with overflowing pockets. They are proof that the dream of exploring the world on a budget is not a mirage but a reality waiting to be embraced. So, my fellow explorers, it's time to turn those dreams into plans, and those plans into memories. Your bags, no matter how humble, can carry the weight of countless experiences. Your well-thought-out itineraries can unlock the doors to hidden gems and cultural wonders. The world, with its vast landscapes and diverse cultures, is not an exclusive club. It's a playground waiting for you to join the adventure. As you embark on your own budget-friendly escapades, remember that every step you take, every person you meet, and every new flavor you taste is a testament to the richness of this beautiful planet we call home. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. So, pack your bags with curiosity, plan wisely with an open heart, and let the world become your affordable oyster. Until our next adventure, whether it's a bustling market in Vietnam, the tranquility of a Cambodian beach, or the historic streets of Romania, may your travels be filled with joy, discovery, and the thrill of the unknown. Happy travels, fellow explorers!